Your assignment for this section is to recreate this rough cut, go to the deliver page and produce a video, and you upload the video to YouTube or Vimeo if you like, and post the link in the Q&A section of the course. And I can see it, look at it. Also, you will be encouraging a lot of other students to accomplish the same. So it's important that you do these assignments within the course. In every section, you will have one or more assignments to accomplish. These assignments will help you to cement the learning that you're taking in this section, and also will lay the path for you to understand even more in the next sections. Now, you could use all the clips that you want to use. If you find them interesting, just use them. And feel free to extend the time, for example, to 30 seconds or even 1 minute. It's very important that you play so you get very familiar with the program. Now, the focus here is on the in and out point, and to drop it in the timeline using, if you like, the append to end, or click and drag on the video and drop it in the timeline. If things go wrong with you and you don't like what's happening here, you don't like this clip, just select it and press backspace. Okay? I will explain to you how to remove clips from the timeline in the next section. So focus on setting the in and out point as best as possible. If you don't manage to create a good timeline that you like, it's okay. In the next section, I will show you how to import this project with this same timeline so you can follow along for the next section. Please guys, do your assignment, upload it to YouTube, and let us all see your work. Thank you. I will see you in the next section.